Hey guys, welcome to a new movie. Within my channel I talk about owning a sailboat or motorboat or any boat actually isn't going to get you bankrupt, because there's a lot of maintenance you can do yourself. And yeah, have a look at this video. Today we're gonna talk about the propeller. So I will put the camera down and make sure you see everything. So the propeller. The propeller is a part that of course needs to be in top condition. So if you hit something or you run your boat into the sand or rocks or anything, it may happen that it get full force on the propeller. And that's actually very important, that everything is in correct condition, because you don't want the propeller to make a really weird move. It's gonna put stress on the inside, stress on the gearbox. I've got a full video of the gearbox as well, because I had to take it out in order to have a shift link issue, because that shift link issue made shifting impossible, and that was horrible as you can imagine. So today we start with the cutter pin. Always take off the cutter pin and always put in a new one, because if you lose this part, or if this part isn't, if the cutter pin isn't in this nut, it's not secured and you could lose everything because of the vibration or the way it spins. Because the nut can come off without the cutter pin, and if you lose this nut, it's actually over, and that will be really horrible. Under the nut there's a small washer. Under the washer there is this adapter plate, and this adapter plate has some splines, or they fit in the splines, so it is a full fit that can't go anywhere. So the adapter plate, look for wear, everything looks okay on this one, so I put it here, and actually that's it. The propeller is loose. It has some splines inside here, so have a good look inside and make sure you check everything, because if this shows some wear or the adapter plate has some issue, it's very important to change your parts. And actually that's it. This is how you take off the propeller. Mounting it is actually the same way. Put it back, put the adapter plate on, make sure it fits, put the washer on it, and I'm gonna show you that the cutter pin is specially created. So there's a hole in the shaft that's specially created for the cutter pin. So make sure you put in this nut correctly. It only fits one way. And now it is almost there. The hole will be on top, and there you go. Don't forget to bend the cutter pin, because that's what you want. So this is actually it. This is the Yamaha. It's a very common engine, and I've got various movies in my playlist about this engine, because remember, owning a sailboat doesn't get you bankrupt.